Right now, your brain is doing something that will either make you rich, disciplined and free, or broke, stuck, and miserable by 30. And the scary part, you won't even feel it happening. Every single day you wake up, scroll your phone, skip the gym, and tell yourself, I'll start tomorrow. Your brain is taking notes. It's building a blueprint of who you are. And here's what nobody tells you. After enough repetitions, that blueprint becomes permanent. Scientists call it neural pathway solidification. I call it your personality getting locked in. Your 18 to 25 years are the most neurologically flexible period of your entire life. Your brain is literally more adaptable right now than it will ever be again. This is the window, the only window, and most people spend it watching other people live their dreams on a 6-inch screen. But here's the other side of that. The same brain that locks in bad habits can lock in good ones. Every time you wake up early, read a book, hit the gym, or choose discomfort over comfort, your brain is building that blueprint instead. The guy who's jacked, focused, and financially free at 25, he didn't get lucky. He just understood this earlier than everyone else. So here's your reality check. You have maybe 2 to 3 years left of this window at full power. That's it. What you do in the next 90 days will echo for the next 10 years. Not next year, not someday. Right now, today, this moment. I made an entire video on exactly what to do in the next 30 days to completely rewire your habits from scratch. Watch it next, because if this video hit you, that one will change your life. Don't sleep on it.